In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to solve a system of equations by graphing. So here we have our problem. It says solve the system of equations by graphing. And we have our graph paper ready. And we have the two equations, y equals 2x minus 4, and then our other equation, x equals 4. So the first thing is to start with the first equation. So we'll start with this one, y equals 2x minus 4. And we know that this is the y-intercept. So it's located at 0, minus 4. So x value is 0, and our y-intercept here is minus 4. This is our y-intercept. And we also know that this is our slope because this equation is in the form, the slope-intercept form of y equals mx plus b. So remember, slope equals 2 over 1 here in this case, right? So we have 2, which is actually equal to 2 over 1, which equals the rise over the run. And the rise over the run, 2, you go up 2, which is the rise, and then across, which you go run, which is 1, okay? So so you start from the y-intercept here, minus 4. You go up 2, which is the rise, and then you go across 1, which is the run. You go once, okay? So how is that going to look? That looks like this. So you go like this and then like that. So here's our point. So now we can draw a line to connect the 2 points. So our line would look like this. So it goes through these 2 points that we plotted. Okay, now let's plot x equals 4. So each x value is equal to 4. So example, we have 4 comma 0, 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, etc. So the x value is always 4. Okay, so here's 4 comma 0, 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2. So let's draw that line. X equals 4 is a vertical straight line. Okay, that's what it is, vertical straight line. So now we need to figure out where the intersection point is. And we could see it, it's right here. See that the lines intersect at 4 comma 4. So x is 4 and y is 4. So it's 4 comma 4. So the solution to the system of equations is 4 comma 4. There is one point that satisfies both the equations at the same time, and that's this point here. And that's what we found. And that's it. That's all there is to know about that type of problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could rewatch the video as well. Take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook that you could download. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very lesson, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar to this. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.